Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be my December Ipsy unbaggings. I've got my regular Ipsy and my Ipsy Glam Plus to share with you. They just came in the mail, so I'm really curious to see what's inside these bags. If any of you are new to my channel, welcome. On my channel, I honestly do a little bit of everything. I do home decor, cleaning, fashion, a lot of Amazon and Bath and Body Works, etc. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to see what goodies are in my December glam bags, then just keep watching. This is the little card that it comes with, and the theme for December is home for the holidays. I honestly think that may be the most perfect theme for the month of December. I think pretty much all of us are going to be home for the holidays with everything that's going on. So that's what the little card comes like. And I did get a survey. Many of you know that Ipsy started sending out their bags to influencers early, so that's why this video is up early. So we get them a little bit earlier, but the last few months since they started doing this, they're not including the cards with all the items, how much they are, and like the descriptions. They're not doing that for influencers. And I'm not really sure about this month, but to my knowledge, all the influencers are receiving the same products. They did send a survey out, I want to say it was like last week or the week before, kind of asking us, you know, about the influencer program. So I did voice my opinions. We need the descriptions, and hopefully us influencers can maybe get different customized bag based on our profiles that we did fill out. So I figured I would just mention that to you. Let's start off with the regular glam bag, then we will move on to the Glam Bag Plus. So this is what this month's bag looks like, the regular Ipsy Glam Bag. Now it's crazy because I was thinking that this month it was going to be like red or green or gold or silver, you know, holiday colors, and pink typically isn't a holiday color. I mean, it could be. I've got a pink Christmas tree in the back, but you know what? I kind of like it. I think it's really cute, but we do have kind of this like burgundy maroon zipper right here, as you guys can see, with the gold zipper detail. But what I love about this bag is that it's like that Sherpa teddy material that is in style right now. It's everywhere. I think I have like 3 or 4 jackets that are that material. So I really love this bag. I think it's super cute. So let's get into what's inside the bag. Actually, one of the items didn't make it into the bag because it's really big, so we'll start off with this one first. And I know I say in all my Ipsy videos that the regular glam bag is where it's at in my opinion. I honestly don't remember the last time I was disappointed with my regular glam bag. Glam Bag Plus is another story. So first off, let's start with, this is the It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. So it's definitely like a little travel or deluxe size sample. I've honestly never tried any It Cosmetics mascara before, but it says it transforms your lashes, gives them super volume and super length. So I'm really curious to try this out, because a lot of mascaras, when I try them, it either gives me the length I want and not the volume, or the volume I want and not the length. So let me just show you guys the wand quickly before I move on. So that's kind of what the wand looks like. So I will definitely be curious to try this mascara out. And then next, okay, so I don't know if I received this recently. I think I received another primer that was a little bit different than this one, but this is the regular professional primer. I have the full size of this. I love this primer. It's one of my favorites. I'm wearing it today, and I love when I get these little travel or deluxe size samples, because when I go to travel, I can bring this and not the full size, and it saves room in my makeup bag. I know I say that all the time, but that's like a lot of the regular glam bag items I use for traveling. So this is a great primer. I love the consistency of it. It really blurs out your pores. So item number 3 is this Purlisse Prevent Blue Lotus 4-in-1 I Adore Serum. That's what it looks like, and honestly, again, will be great for traveling whenever we can travel again. And I've actually gotten the full size moisturizer of the Blue Lotus before, and I actually really like it, so I'm curious to see how this is. It says that this eye serum hydrates intensely, firms and brightens, decreases puffiness, so that is definitely concerns. That like covers almost like every concern that I would have. So I'm definitely excited to try that out. And then item number 4 is a full-size pencil jet black skyliner, they're calling it, automatic gel eyeliner from Wander Beauty. And honestly, I like when I get the black eyeliners because I do use them. I like to use them in my waterline and then my upper waterline as well. And I was actually, you know, running low on one of my pencils. I have a couple, but one of them I'm running low on, so I will definitely give this one a try. But what's nice about this one, you guys, is that it's retractable, so we don't have to do any sharpening, as you guys can see. So this will definitely be getting used. Again, it's a full size. I wish I could tell you, you know, the price of this, but I don't have that for you because they did not include it in the card. And then last but not least, I have received this product before a while ago, but this is a pretty big deluxe size product. This is the Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser. I bring this traveling. I know I keep saying traveling, but this cleanser I have brought with me a few times when I've gone on like, you know, like 2 or 3 day trips. And I really like this cleanser. I think the cleanser that I have is like about halfway or a little less than halfway finished. So now I have another one. This is a really nice one. And I am definitely impressed with my regular Glam bag. For $12, you definitely can't beat it. Many of you know, just Murad alone, their full-size products are upwards of $60. But what I'm noticing, and we'll get into the Glam Bag Plus in a second, but the brands that I get in my regular Glam Bag, I don't get in my Glam Bag Plus, and I've noticed this trend for a while. I feel like when Ipsy Glam Bag Plus first came out, I saw a lot more of like Murad and Benefit, brands like that. Just observational, so definitely impressed with my regular Glam Bag. Okay, so next is the Glam Bag Plus, and it looks like a little pouch that's filled with gifts for the holidays, so it's really cute. But the only thing with this is that I wish they made it like this Teddy Sherpa material, because this is not really the same, and look what's happening. All these strings are flying everywhere. So I do like my regular Glam Bag a little bit better. I mean, I'll kind of get close up so you can see, but it is a little bit different than this one. This is more of that true Teddy Sherpa material, and this already has like all the strings coming out of it. I think in my last video I asked you if you prefer the pouches, which the Ipsy Pluses are coming in now, or if you prefer the makeup bags that are a little bit bigger than the Plus. Some of you said that you do like the pouches, and then a lot of you said that you do miss the little bit bigger makeup bags that are a little bit bigger than the regular Ipsy. I personally prefer the makeup bags over the pouches. So first off, actually, this is already sitting over here, so I'll go with this one first. This is the QMS Medi Cosmetics Ace Vitamin Day and Night Cream. I would love to see how much this retails for, but even if I go into my profile, I can't find that out yet because it's so early. I mean, I would assume it's probably anywhere from $30 to $50 if I had to guess. But basically it just says that this is a nourishing cream, power packed with revitalizing vitamins and a botanical marine complex to moisturize, protect, and renew all day and night. So it's just a really great moisturizer that you can use in the AM and the PM. Honestly, I think, let me just see what the packaging looks like. But honestly, I think I got like 3 skincare items in my Plus. I quickly peeked before I turned on the camera. Oh, it's kind of cool packaging. So that's what it looks like. Definitely full size. Again, I would love to know how much it retails for. I miss giving you guys the values of my Plus. So next, and I'm excited about this because honestly, I think once I received a Tula mask, but I don't own any Tula skincare, and I've heard really great things about Tula. So this is Tula Skincare's So Polish Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. So that's what that looks like, and it says get smoother, brighter, and more even looking skin with this gentle yet effective sugar scrub. So I'm definitely going to be trying this in a couple hours when I go to shower. That's what it looks like. Probiotics and superfood. That's what it says right there. So definitely excited about that. And then next, skincare item number 3. This is Verifi, I don't know if I'm saying that brand correctly, Verifi 2020 Phytoglycogen and Peptides eye cream. So that's what that looks like. It says that, let's see, because that was a different language. It says that this eye cream is packed with powerful ingredients. Phytoglycogen helps to reveal a bright and even skin tone. Peptides, a combination of peptides dramatically reduces the appearance of wrinkle length and volume. Niacinamide, I always have difficulty saying that word. Vitamin B3 helps to brighten and nourish the under eye area. And cucumber, a soothing and refreshing ingredient, helps to decrease the appearance of puffiness and hydrate the skin. So this actually sounds really nice. I'm excited to try it, and I'm glad that it also has like the anti-aging properties for wrinkles as well, because I definitely have wrinkles in my under eye area. So that's what it looks like. It looks very luxurious. And you can put this on in the morning and nighttime. So I got 3 skincare products, but I'm honestly not mad about it. Lately, I kind of like getting skincare. Next is this Nomad Toscana eyeshadow, intense eyeshadow palette. And I think it's an Ipsy exclusive, because right there, I don't know if you guys can see it. If I get too close, it will get blurry and it won't focus, but it says Ipsy right there. So it's an Ipsy exclusive. So you can only get this particular palette on Ipsy's website. So this is what the palette looks like. It's got a mirror on top. We've got shimmers and we've got mattes. So it's pretty neutral. I mean, I definitely could create, you know, a decent amount of eye looks with this. Some of the colors, I don't know. I honestly wish that, and then this kind of looks like it's a dark brown shade, but it's more of like a gray, this shade right here. So I wish that they did include like a darker brown shade, because I like to line my lower lash line with brown. But it's definitely a pretty palette. So that's what that looks like. And then last but not least is a brush, and I am going to butcher the pronunciation of this. It's Beau or Bugachis, I'm not really sure. And this is their powder brush. So I'm thinking that when it says powder, that you can use blushes, bronzers, and setting powders, because if this was just for like setting powders, this is definitely too small for me. I like to use a bigger brush to do my whole face, and for my under eyes, I like a more precise brush. But for blush, you could definitely, you know, brush this on the apples of your cheek for blush, and you could definitely blend out, I cannot talk today, you could definitely blend out bronzer. So I'm assuming that that would be what this brush is for. So there's definitely multi-uses for this. So this is item number 5. Overall, you guys already know my regular glam bag. I am blown away once again, super impressed. And for my Glam Bag Plus, it wasn't terrible. I think I'm the most excited about this Tula sugar exfoliating scrub, or exfoliating sugar scrub. I'm pretty excited about that. I mean, I got some great skincare, but I think I would just like to start seeing some of the brands I see in my regular glam bag. I mean, I know that sounds bad, and I know Ipsy is all about discovering new brands, but I've just noticed that this has been a trend. I never get the brands that I'm getting in my regular glam bag in my Glam Bag Plus, so I would like to see that in the future. But anyways, let me know in the comments down below when you get your regular glam bag and your Glam Bag Plus, what items you received. Did you receive any of the same items? Did you receive different items? Are we bag twins? Did you love your bag? Did you hate your bag? I would be curious to find out. But anyways, that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.